Hello guys, it's Mike from Nitro Speed. Hope you're all doing well. Starting off this video with a 57 Chevy wagon. Beautiful looking casting. It's an M2. It is absolutely beautiful. Love this with the black walls. Black wall tires and rims. Goodyear Eagles. It's like a matte finish with a shine coat on it. Beautiful casting. I love this 57 Chevy. Alright guys, one more time around. Go ahead and go to the next one. Alright guys, let's go to the next one. '56 Ford pickup truck. Beautiful casting. I like this one a lot. Like the disc rims. Look really good on this truck. Like these old Ford and Chevy step-side pickups. I have two of these in my collection. Mike Dyson sent me one. I thought I didn't have this one, and no, I got two. I know, or two loose. Alright guys, let's go to the next one. Next one is a 72 Chevy Love. Yellow. I have a green and a Zamac. Love this color. I remember these Chevy Loves back in the day. These were real popular, right up there with the Datsun 620s and the Toyota pickups. Real nice casting. I love it. It's lowered pretty good too. Alright guys. Let's go to the next one. Alright guys. Next one. '68 Shelby GT500. Love this color. Like the flame job on this casting. Love the color too. Blue with the yellow flames on it. Real nice casting now. I really like this one a lot. Alright guys, one more time around the passenger side. We'll go to the next one. Alright guys. Next one. 65 Mustang Fastback. Golf Edition. Like this is a beautiful looking casting. And it's beautiful. Love the color. And Dad had a 67. It was an olive green. That thing was beautiful and fast. I think it was a GT350. Alright guys, one more time around the driver's side. We'll go to the next one. Alright guys, let's go to the next one. Next one's a 68 Plymouth Hemi Barracuda Formula S or 5 or whatever. It's beautiful casting though, I love it. The white, the orange and red flames. Had this one for quite some time now. I don't remember how I got this one, but I like this one a lot. Alright guys, the passenger side, we'll go to the next one. '69 Chevy SS 396. It's pretty slammed pretty low there. Real nice casting though. Like this one a bunch. Beautiful looking color too. The red and blue graphics on the side there. Alright guys, one more time around the passenger side. We'll go to the next one. Alright guys, go to the next one. '69 Mercury Cougar or 68 Mercury Cougar Eliminator. This one's beautiful, white, black graphics. The FTE wheels, faster than ever. This is a beautiful casting. I love this one. I think they did a great job on this. And alright guys, let's go to driver's side. We'll go to the next one. Alright guys, next one. '71 Chevy El Camino. It's got like a matte finish to it. It's sort of like a brick red or something. Well, nice casting though. I have this one in the green and this color right here. Yellow tinted windows. Alright guys, one more time around the passenger side. We'll go to the next one. We got 5 left. Alright guys, let's go to the next one. Next one, the 57 Ford Thunderbird. I think I've only shown this one time, and when I first got this, my friend sent that package to me. I haven't shown it since, so it's been a few months, but I wanted to bring this one out. This one's real nice casting now. I'm not too crazy about the graphics. And seriously thinking about taking some nail polish remover and removing all these graphics. It just does not look right. Alright guys, let's go to the next one. Next one is a mod rod. I like this one a lot. Beautiful casting. Two different styles of rims on there. It's got the disc wheels in front. Not too many people like this, but I do. I love this casting. It's got like the rat rod style to it. Gorgeous casting. I really like it. Love the color too. Alright guys. Passenger side, we'll go to the next one. Got 3 cars left. Ford Torino, I think it's about 72. Ford Torino. I think I like 3 or 4 3 or 4 of these different paint variations. I like this one a lot. Real nice casting. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please like, comment down below, and please subscribe. I'm at 234 subscribers. I'd love to get some more. I'd love to hit that 300 mark. Alright guys. Now guys, I need your help on this one. I got 2 of these, my last tune. I have no clue what these are. I mean, I know they're Hemis, but I have no clue. So I don't bring these out that much because I have no idea what they are. I have one more, and it's the same one, except for it's got the, gosh, I forgot what they call that at the back. But anyway, guys, you guys can help me out on this one. I'm not used to seeing these too much, but I know they're Plymouth and they're Hemi. So, doesn't say on the bottom. Alright guys, let's go to the next one. Last one. Same car. Except for it's got the windway or whatever you call that in the back. I was kind of tired tonight. Gonna sleep good tonight, that's for sure. Had a wonderful day at work, and I was busy and made the day go fast. So, alright guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment down below, and please subscribe. You guys have yourselves a good night. Be good to each other. Be well. And I'll be talking to you guys real soon. This is Mike from Nitro Speed. I'm out of here. See ya.